Hi everyone, good morning to all of you who are connected with me. Now in this video, I am going to tell you a story. As you know that I had promised you I would tell you a story every day. So this is second day. After it, I will tell you another story next day. And previous day, I had already told you a story and I got some SMS and some comments that will inspire me to tell a story. That's reason I am coming another day here. As you know that this is my playground. So without any delay, let's start the story. Some workers worked in a company. One day they came to his boss to ask their salary. Their boss was sitting on a chair. In front of him, a computer. The workers of that company wanted their salary, but the boss said to them, the company is in loss. That's reason he could not give them salary. In another month, he will give them salary. Hearing this, some workers became angry and said they didn't hear to anything. They wanted their money, their salary. They didn't care where is company. They worked there, and it means they need money and they wanted their salary. Hearing their conversation, the boss of that company told them, okay, I will give you salary next day. But one of the workers in them say nothing, and he is in pain to hear this that company is in loss. Every workers went away from there, but he was standing there. When boss saw him, he told him, why are you standing here? Then the workers said, sir, I am very sad to hear this. The company is in loss. We work here to progress this company. If company is in loss, it means we are also in loss. So sir, I didn't want my salary. I want to take this company in progress. Hearing this, the boss of that company gave him a bag that was full of something. He took the bag and went his home. At his home, his girlfriend was waiting him and his salary. When he reached there, his girlfriend asked him, did you get your salary? Then he told him that company is in loss. That's reason he didn't get the salary. Then his girlfriend has forsaken him and said she didn't want to live with him. After that, she left him and go with another boy. That workers who was honest went his office another day and he got progress and he marries with another girl. One day he was standing at road with her wife. He saw his girlfriend who was weeping there. So, dear, by this story or through this story, I want to tell you that we should stand a person who is in need. If we will help him, then it is sure and it definitely then we get something for it. That's all. So dear, if you like this story, please comment. Thanks for watching.